Hi, this is Elaine coming to you with another video about this hair that I had won actually from an Indique contest. I was so surprised I didn't know what to do with myself, but anyway, this is the Pure Wavy. Here's the container that it came out of. If you can see, I'll stop moving it so fast. I won 2 bundles of 18-inch Pure Wavy hair, and also this hair perfume. This is called Diani Beach, and it's by Alexia P Hammonds. I think that's what it says on here. If I haven't said it correctly, I will put all the information in the description box. Okay, let me start by saying that this is some good hair. I've never had a pure type of the Brazilian hair, and this is really nice. One thing I will say about it is work. I had a misconception because I really thought that once you take this stuff out, you know, and you do what you're gonna do to it, whether you leave it uncolored or what, it was gonna be easy to work with. And well, it is in its own way, but then again, it's got its own quirks. So I did dye this hair, and I bleached I put some bleach on it, not much. What I did is I bought the Luminous Blonde once again from Dark and Lovely, and I used 50 volume developer, and I also used the little packet that was in there that was the lightener. So this is the color that it came out, and well, I guess it's kind of a brownish color, whatever, honey blonde. So, make a long story short, anyway, I also bought the Kiss lightener, and I used the 50 volume developer on as well. And as you can see, it is not damaged. It's not. Now, any frizz that comes from this hair, it's natural hair, and because it is and it was unprocessed, it raises up when the weather is inclement out there. If it's raining or something, it will puff on you now. Now, on the website, it has different things that you can use for this hair, but will I buy in it? I don't know. You know, you may find that necessary. I'm just going to use what I can get. I mean, I don't want to spend a whole bunch of money on something that's just not my hair. So I'm going to maintain it and everything, but, you know, use the right kind of shampoos and conditioners, but I'm just not going to spend a whole bunch of money to do it. That's just being honest. Now, as far as that's concerned, it's good hair. This is rolled hair with flexi rods. This is not curled hair with the curling iron or a flat iron. I tried that, and it did not work for me. It curled up nicely, but the curls did not hold long, and I did not like that about it. So using flexi rods, I have been to morning worship, and I've been there a couple hours, so, and I've been outside, and it's hot outside, and as you can tell, it has held its form. The curls have not dropped. As long as you use flexi rods, you should be okay. Okay? So, with that being said, if I were you, I would just try it. I mean, it's really good hair. You don't have to, you really don't need 3 bundles. You can get away with 2, because this is all this is 2 bundles. I prefer to have at least 2.5 because my head is so large, but as you can see the length, it's 18 inches. So, and I'm tall. So somebody shorter may reach a little longer. And I also put it farther up on my head because I said, once again, I have scalp problems, and I'm not fit to go through that with anybody's hair. So, anyway, try the hair. It's good hair. I really like it. It is dyeable, but it's dark hair. So you're going to have to leave your developer, whatever you got on there, a little longer for it to process. And especially since it has never been processed before, it takes it. It's not going to lift up real fast, but you can keep an eye on it and watch it and stuff in the foil and make sure that it doesn't get out of balance for you, and real light color that you don't really like. So with that being said, I want to thank you for tuning in. Thank you to all my subscribers that I do have. I appreciate you greatly. Keep tuning in. I'm going to bring in some more videos. I'm probably only going to have this hair in maybe another week, and ain't no telling what I'm liable to have the next time I see y'all. So thank you, and come back.